Okay, I've just got home and I found this by my doorstep. Now, I'm surprised that it even showed up because it was open. I put that sticker back down. It was, when I found it, it was like that. So if that's the way it travelled through the post, I'm surprised that it got here. Especially since the customs sticker says Imco lighter. So let's do an unboxing. Hang on a second. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, let's try and do this in one take. Yes, Matthias, it's here. Finally. I can't even see the date on the postage stamp. 25th of the 4th. So, it's the 14th today. So, it didn't take too long to get here. Alright, let's have a look. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. Now, I got a Zippo for my birthday, and Matthias was supposed to send me one of these a while ago, but it arrived now, so I'm classifying this as another birthday present. Sweet. So let's get all the stuff out of the way. Right, Zippo. Everyone knows how Zippo lighters work. Just checking my framing there. Yep. Zippo lighters, easy to use, basically child's play. Now, inside you got the phone, and you just squirt your lighter fluid in there, and here you've got your flint. It's a little tube with a screw and a spring, and the flint gets pushed up onto the striker, which lights the wick. And that just sits in like that. Now, an Imco, it's almost identical in the way it works, except it looks very different. So let's have a look. That's your striker and your lid combined in one, whereas with the Zippo, lid and the striker are separate. Another good thing about the Imco, that is your fuel container, a little bullet shape. Got the wick just here to fill it, take the bottom off, and it's got cotton wool inside. Inside that you've got the wick. The wick runs the full length, so as that wears out you can just pull a little bit and bring the wick out a bit further. Fill that with lighter fluid. Actually, hang on. Right, lighter fluid. and that goes back inside. Let that soak up a bit. Maybe I need to put in a little bit more. You don't want to overfill this because you could leak all over the place. There we go. You see this little thing here? That allows air inside, so that adjusts your flame size. Not by much, but still it works. Now the flint on this, push the bottom in and that turns out the side. And then here, you probably can't see it, but inside there is your flint. So again, you close that. It's on a spring, hold it. And it's closed. Now the advantage of the Imco over the Zippo, you can take this out and light it and have a freestanding candle. It's also good for lighting your campfire and getting into hard to reach places underneath all the kindling, and it's just freestanding. So, my lighter collection has started officially. I mean, I'm not talking about these sort of things. You know, always carry one of these when camping, but you've got a Zippo and an Imco. Excellent.